Are you tired of spending countless hours analyzing commercial properties? Introducing SpeedAlyzer, the ultimate time-saving tool for investors. With SpeedAlyzer, you can analyze multifamily and self-storage properties seamlessly with lightning speed, all from a single platform, simplifying your analysis process. Choose from 3 analysis modes: high speed, AI-assisted, and deep mode, adapting to your workflow whether you need speed, guided insights, or a deeper dive into the details. Evaluate properties instantly using 5 common valuation methods, aligning with your investment goals, all with just single clicks. Seamlessly model conventional lending or get creative with seller financing, a private money loan, a seller carryback, a loan assumption, or a refinancing option. Experience the flexibility of modeling up to 3 loans simultaneously, helping to make the impossible deal possible. If borrowing isn't your preference, you can also model an all-cash purchase. Maximize your syndication and joint venture deals with 3 popular waterfall distribution models, ensuring optimal returns for all parties involved. Access comprehensive analytics and real-time metrics with SpeedAlyzer, empowering you to make informed decisions with confidence. With SpeedAlyzer, save all your analyses in one place and easily share them with others in your team using the import and export functionality. When your analysis is complete, use AI tools to double-check your deal and automatically generate a polished investor summary. Try SpeedAlyzer today and revolutionize your real estate journey. Fast, accurate, and tailored to your needs. That's SpeedAlyzer.